Make monthly income with these top monthly payout dividend stocks. Are you looking for monthly cash flow from dividend stocks? Investors prioritizing a steady cash flow often opt for monthly dividend stocks, although they may offer lower returns than other investments. However, with careful selection of the right equities, investors can still enjoy attractive dividend yields while receiving monthly distributions. When searching for monthly dividend stocks, it is critical to understand that the sole focus of this list is the dividend yield. It's noteworthy that dividend yield increases when share price decrease. Consequently, some equities in this video may have experienced negative total returns over the past 12 months. This list of monthly dividend stocks includes options that offer above average yields and have the potential for asset appreciation. This combination allows investors to enjoy strong total returns. By seizing these opportunities, investors can maximize their profits when the share price eventually bounces back. This list comprises this month's monthly dividend stocks trading on the major U.S. exchanges. This list focuses on companies offering more than an 8% dividend yield. These top monthly dividend stocks will rotate on and off the list depending on market conditions and earnings. Nevertheless, here is the list of my top monthly dividend paying stocks offering more than an 8% yield. Number 6, Ellington Financial, ticker EFC. Ellington Financial Incorporated acquires and manages mortgage, consumer, corporate, and other related financial assets in the United States. The company acquires and manages residential mortgage-backed securities, RMBS, backed by prime jumbo, manufactured housing, and subprime residential mortgage loans. The dividend yield is 13.5%. The monthly dividend for the last 3 months has averaged 15 cents per share. The current price per share is $13.30. TipRank's technical analyst has Ellington Financial as a strong buy. To earn $500 a month, you would need to own 3,334 shares. Number 5, Prospect Capital, ticker PSEC. Prospect Capital Corporation provides private debt and private equity to middle market companies in the U.S. The company focuses on direct lending to the owner, operated companies, and sponsor-backed transactions. Prospect invests primarily in first and second lien senior loans and mezzanine debt, with occasional equity investments. The dividend yield is 11.7%. The monthly dividend for the last 3 months has averaged 6 cents. The current price per share is $6.01. TipRank's technical analyst has Prospect Capital as a hold or neutral. To earn $500 a month, you need to own 8,334 shares. Number 4, Gladstone Capital, ticker GLAD. Gladstone Capital is a business development company, or BDC, primarily investing in small and medium businesses. These investments are made via various equities, 10% of the portfolio, and debt instruments, 90% of the portfolio, generally with very high yields. Loan sizes typically in the $7 million to $30 million range, with terms of up to 7 years. The BDC's stated purpose is to generate income it can distribute to its shareholders. The dividend yield is 9.3%. The monthly dividend for the last 3 months has averaged 8 cents. The current price per share is $10.03. TipRank's technical analyst has Gladstone Capital as a strong buy. To earn $500 a month, you need to own 6,250 shares. Number 3, AG&C Investment Corporation, ticker AGNC. American Capital Agency Corporation is a mortgage real estate investment trust that invests primarily in agency mortgage-backed securities, or MBS, on a leveraged basis. The firm's asset portfolio comprises residential mortgage pass-through securities, collateralized mortgage obligations, or CMO, and non-agency MBS. Many of these are guaranteed by government-sponsored enterprises. The dividend yield is 14.3%. The monthly dividend for the last 3 months has averaged 12 cents. The current price per share is $9.93. TipRank's technical analyst has AG&C investments as a hold or neutral. To earn $500 a month, you need to own 4,167 shares. Number 2, Horizon Technology Finance, ticker HRZN. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation is a BDC that provides venture capital to small and medium-sized companies in the technology, life sciences, and healthcare IT sectors. The company has generated attractive risk-adjusted returns through directly originated senior secured loans and additional capital appreciation through warrants. The dividend yield is 10.8%. The monthly dividend for the last 3 months has averaged 11 cents. The current price per share is $12.06. Tipranks Technical Analyst has Horizon Technology as a buy. To earn $500 a month, you would need to own 4,546 shares. Number 1, SL Green Realty Corp, ticker SLG. SL Green is a self-managed REIT that manages, acquires, develops, and leases New York City metropolitan office properties. In fact, the trust is the largest owner of office real estate in New York City, with most of its properties located in Midtown Manhattan. It is Manhattan's largest office landlord, with 60 buildings totaling about 33 million square feet. The dividend yield is at 8.5%. The monthly dividend for the last 3 months has averaged 27 cents. The current price per share is $39.40. Tipranks Technical Analyst has SL Green as a buy. To earn $500 a month, you will need to own 1,852 shares. Final thoughts. Investors seeking a dependable income stream, whether to meet their daily expenses or for the purpose of regular compounding, might find monthly dividend stocks to be an attractive choice. These stocks can provide a consistent monthly cash flow, offering stability and long-term growth potential. Investing always carries some risk, but certain monthly dividend stocks have established a reputation for financial stability. These stocks demonstrate consistent profitability and have a track record of paying dividends regularly. Although the companies featured in this list are expected to have strong total returns, it's important to note that some have a history of cutting their dividends or adjusting their pay distributions based on annual earnings. Given the importance of making informed investment decisions, it is critical for individual investors to conduct thorough due diligence. By researching and evaluating potential investments, individuals can gather relevant information and assess the risk associated with each opportunity. This ensures you will make well-informed choices and maximize your chances of achieving your investment goals. If you want to find high-quality stocks that may be under the radar or building a portfolio, you may like one of these selected videos. If you made it this far, thank you. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos.